forever friends. Oh my God! La 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 la. Hi. La 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 la. Hey, you're adorable, B. You're so beautiful, C. You're so cute and full of charm. D. You're a darling, and A. You're exciting, and F. You're a feeder in my arms. G. You're so good to me. H. You're so heavenly. I. You're the one I idolize. Na 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 na. M N O P. I could go on all day. Q R S T. Na 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 na. You're okay. A. You're adorable. B. B. You're so beautiful. C. You're so beautiful. Charm. D. You're a darling, and A. You're exciting, and F. You're a feeder in my arms. M N O P. I could go on all day. Q R S T. You're okay. Okay, thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Cute, cute. What's your name? Baby, what's your name? What's your name? Di ba kasagop yung kinakain eh. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for madam, and 1 for a little girl. Ay, nahingal na ako. Yun ang ganda oh. Lupit. Lupit sa malupit, pero wala na. Iniwan ako ng aking forever friends. Layo pa na aking tatakbuhin. Barge.
Tourist guidelines for Rizal Park, Luneta visitors. To preserve the quality of Rizal Park, Luneta, we appeal to the public to observe and practice the following clean-as-you-go habits. Dispose your trash in the proper trash bins. Carry a small trash bag. Temporarily store your trash here until you find a proper trash bin. Bring a reusable water bottle. Prevent waste caused by plastic water bottles.
Ay, wala na. Iniwan na
Use
ako ng kaibigan ko.
recyclable food containers.
Babay na, babay.
Place your baon here to avoid plastic wrappers and tissue wastes. Encourage your fellow visitors to do the same. Individuals caught violating the following rules will be fined and punished accordingly. Avoid littering. Cigarette smoking and/or vaping is strictly prohibited.
Saan na kayong babae na yun?
Avoid vandalizing
Pwede dito yung Jollibee hanip
and
na yan.
facilities. Avoid spitting or throwing of chewing gum on the ground. Bringing
Jollibee.
and consuming
Kuya.
alcoholic beverages
Kuya, excuse me. Kuya, saan po yung Jollibee dito? Saan po yung Jollibee dito?
Avoid using foil or
Diretso lang po.
tarpaulin or any form of plastic as blanket during your picnics.
Thank you po.
Instead, use cloth. Beware of your personal belongings and children. In case of loss, report to the nearest security personnel immediately. We also inform everyone that the park will close at 10 p.m. Thank you and enjoy your visit at the park.
Paano ko naging enjoy? Iniwan ako ng kaibigan ko. Diyos ko po. Sakit sa bangs.
Sa mga turista ng Rizal Park, Luneta, upang mapangalagaan ang kalidad ng ating mga pambansang pasyalan at pangpublikong lugar, Pakiusap sa publiko na makasanayang sundin ang mga sinusunod na paalala tungkol sa clean as you go. Ang lalagyan. Magdala ng maliit na trasha. Para sa magdala ilagay niyo ang basura hanggat makahanap ng basurahan. Pagdala ng buhay sa bawat na lalagyan. Iwasan natin ang kalat na lahat ng mga plastic na molde. Gumamit ang mga buhay sa bawat na lalagyan. Ilagay ang inyong bawang
Tama na siguro ta.